Hello everybody. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a purchase request the correct way. Before, when we used to make the purchase request, there would be an error, and when you receive the items and you enter the LPO number, the materials would not actually show in your inventory. So in today's video, I'm going to show you the correct way to create a purchase request so that when the LPO is made and when you receive the materials, you can enter them into your inventory and they will show up in your inventory. Because before they wouldn't show up. You would receive them but they wouldn't show up. So in today's video I'm just going to show you how to do that. So step 1, you need to go to ME51N, create purchase requisition, or you can enter it here. Same as before for purchase requisition. Okay. And before we used to enter project material, but now we just enter purchase requisition. See, before we used to select project material, you don't want to select that anymore. You want to select purchase requisition, and make sure it's purchase requisition, not this one NBS. It's this one, purchase requisition. So select that, and then enter your material number, or you can search for the material. So we enter the material number, and then click enter. Now it's telling you here in the corner enter plant, so go ahead, enter plant, click enter. Quantity, enter your requested quantity that you need for your purchase request. Example 50 pieces, and then click enter. It's important after each step to click enter so the line updates. And then valuation price. So some people have been asking me, what is valuation price? What does valuation price mean? Valuation price, basically it means how much you expect to pay for this item, or how much you should or want to pay for this item. So for example, some people, they have a specific requirement, like for this example we're using aluminum door, so some people, they have a specific requirement. This aluminum door should be approximately 200 Rial per piece. So if you have a requirement like that, you can enter it here, and that way so the purchasing team will know that this is the expected value. Also, sometimes it will come automatically if it's a system valuation. And if you don't know the valuation price, or you're not sure, you can just put 1. Just enter 1 and click enter. And that's it. It's very simple. And just don't forget to put storage location. It's very, very important you put storage location. So here you can put storage location. Example CS51. And click enter. And that's it. It's very, very simple. You just need to enter the material number, the plant, the quantity, storage location, valuation price, and your purchase group. So I'll show you again one time quickly. So material, see, you can even search for a material using F4. So this will just show me the available materials. Okay, we'll take cutting disc, steel. Okay, so we entered the material number, click enter, plant, always 3310, click enter, quantity 500 piece, enter, valuation price 4.5, enter, and storage location CS51, important. And purchase group, I have my default values set. You can also set your default values here if you click this default values button. That way you don't have to enter some of this information every time. For example, you can suggest here the requisitioner, like the name And you can also click here. No, sorry. You can save this one, and then you can go to personal setting up here, and then you can go to default values, and you can click more fields here. And here you can add more fields, so you can add the plant, you can add storage location, purchasing group. So you can select whichever fields you want, click this small arrow, and click copy the check mark. Okay, close this, and then come back to default values. Oh, sorry, I didn't save it. Yeah, personal settings, default values, more fields, plant, storage location, purchasing group, and small arrow to move it to this list. Then this check mark or enter. And here you can choose your purchasing group, so it's automatically entered every time. You don't need to enter it every time. And you can automatically put the plant 3310 and your storage location CS51. This way every time it'll come up automatically. You don't need to enter it. See, it's automatically here for me. I won't need to enter it. It's just a handy tool, saves you some time. And you just save as normal. And it has created this purchase requisition number, and it is not possible to print the purchase requisition number. I mean, it's not possible to print the purchase requisition document, but you can just copy this number and send it to the purchasing department, or you could go to display purchase requisition here, display purchase requisition, and you could take a screenshot of this and print it out, or you can just select here and select this print icon, and it will print it in a list. So it won't be excellent, but yeah, you could take the screenshot or you could print it that way, but it won't be the full detailed list. Or you can just send the email direct, the PR number directly to the purchasing department. Okay, so just to review, so the new method to create purchase requests for materials. So number one, go to ME51N, create purchase request. Okay, step 2, enter material number and press enter. Enter the plant. Enter quantity. Enter valuation price. Enter storage location. And you can also enter the purchasing group, which means the person who is doing the purchasing for you. And then you press the enter key. And you can either add new lines or add more lines, or you can just save. And this is the new method to create purchase requests. After you save, you can send that number to the purchasing department, or you can display the purchase request and take a screenshot and print it out for your reference, whatever works for you. I hope this video was helpful, and if you need any other tutorials or if you have any other questions, please contact me. Thank you and have a great day.